Eggs have long been called the gold standard of protein, and for good reason. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support muscle repair and growth. But here's the truth. Eggs, while great, are not the only food that can help you build muscle, especially after 60. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that if they don't eat eggs, they can't get enough protein or maintain strength. That's completely false. Nature has provided us with a variety of affordable, powerful, and muscle-friendly foods that work just as well, sometimes even better than eggs. The goal isn't to depend on one single food, it's to build a balanced routine around real nutrient-dense sources of protein. For older adults, that variety matters even more. As you age, your body becomes a little less efficient at using protein for muscle repair. That means you need a steady supply of high-quality protein throughout the day, not just from one food, but from many. If eggs are your only source, you're missing out on other valuable nutrients that come from foods like cottage cheese, lentils, fish, and lean meats. Take cottage cheese, for example. It's loaded with casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a long, steady stream of amino acids to your muscles. That makes it an excellent food to eat at night before bed when your body is repairing and rebuilding tissue. Unlike eggs, which digest faster, cottage cheese gives your muscles what they need for hours. It's also rich in calcium and probiotics, which support both bone health and digestion, two things that often become more important with age. Then there are plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. These are packed with fiber, minerals, and phytonutrients that help lower inflammation, a key barrier to muscle growth in older adults. They may not have as much protein per serving as eggs, but they offer extra benefits for heart and gut health. When combined with other foods, they easily meet your body's protein needs. Fish is another muscle-building hero that doesn't get enough credit. It provides not only protein, but also omega-3 fatty acids, which support muscle recovery and joint health. That's a huge advantage for anyone who feels sore or stiff after workouts. And if you're on a tight budget, canned tuna or sardines are inexpensive and highly effective. The truth is, muscle doesn't care where your protein comes from. It only cares that it gets enough of it, consistently along with resistance training. You can eat eggs, but don't depend on them alone. Rotate your sources, mix in cottage cheese, yogurt, beans, or lean meats. The more variety you bring in, the more nutrients you supply to your body for growth and recovery. So yes, eggs are great, but they're not your only weapon against muscle loss. What really builds muscle after 60 is your daily consistency, your movement, and your commitment to real whole foods. When you eat smart and train regularly, your muscles will respond no matter your age and no matter what's on your plate. Cottage cheese, or paneer as it's known in many parts of the world, is one of the most underrated muscle-building foods out there. It doesn't come in a fancy package. It's not promoted as a superfood, but it's exactly the kind of food your body needs, especially after 60. When it comes to rebuilding muscle, maintaining strength, and supporting bone health, cottage cheese is a complete powerhouse that costs far less than most so-called health foods. What makes cottage cheese special is its protein profile. It's rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting type of protein that provides your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids for several hours. This is critical for older adults because muscle breakdown happens more easily with age. The slow release of amino acids means your muscles get nourished all night long, preventing loss and promoting repair while you sleep. That's why having a small serving of cottage cheese in the evening can be one of the smartest things you do for your body. But that's not all. Cottage cheese is also loaded with calcium, which supports bone strength, a key factor in staying active and avoiding falls as you age. Strong bones and strong muscles go hand in hand. One cannot thrive without the other. And unlike processed protein powders, cottage cheese gives you that nutrition in its most natural bioavailable form. Real food that your body recognizes and uses efficiently. Another hidden advantage is that cottage cheese contains vitamin B12, phosphorus, and selenium, nutrients that play a vital role in energy metabolism and recovery. As we get older, energy production slows down and many people begin to feel fatigue during workouts or daily activities. Regularly eating cottage cheese helps replenish these nutrients, supporting not just muscle growth but also overall vitality. Now, let's talk about practicality. Cottage cheese is cheap, easy to find, and can be prepared in countless ways. You can eat it plain, mix it with olive oil and herbs for a savory snack, or pair it with fruit for a balanced combination of protein and natural carbohydrates. In many cultures, paneer is added to curries, salads, or grilled dishes. It fits anywhere and adapts to every taste. That makes it sustainable and enjoyable for the long term. For anyone over 60, muscle maintenance isn't about eating more food, it's about eating the right food. And cottage cheese delivers more value for every bite than most expensive protein sources. A simple 100-gram serving gives you around 12 to 15 grams of protein, with barely any carbs and just the right amount of healthy fat to keep you full. It's easy on digestion, helps stabilize blood sugar, and supports steady energy throughout the day. When you make cottage cheese a regular part of your diet, especially at night, you're setting up your body for real recovery and lasting strength. It's not about fancy diets or overpriced powders. It's about real, affordable, and powerful nutrition that works with your body's natural rhythm. Cottage cheese truly is the cheap powerhouse that fuels muscle, protects bones, and keeps you strong well into your later years. Building muscle after 60 is absolutely possible, but it requires two key ingredients: steady protein and consistent resistance training. Many people believe that muscle loss with age is unavoidable. That's only partly true. Yes, our bodies naturally slow down in producing muscle fibers and recovery takes a little longer, but with the right nutrition and the right kind of movement, you can rebuild strength and stay lean, active, and confident at any age. The first part of the formula is steady protein intake. After 60, your body becomes less efficient at turning protein from food into new muscle tissue, a process called muscle protein synthesis. This means that older adults actually need more protein, not less, than younger people. The trick isn't eating huge amounts all at once, it's spreading protein throughout the day. That means having some at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Whether it's eggs, cottage cheese, fish, chicken, tofu, or lentils, your muscles need that constant supply of amino acids to repair and grow. It's not enough to eat well, only on workout days. Your muscles are rebuilding every single day, even when you rest. That's why consistency is more important than quantity. A small but regular protein intake keeps your body in a positive balance, where growth outweighs breakdown. Think of protein as the building blocks of your house. If you don't supply enough bricks, the repair work slows down and over time the house weakens. But when you keep a steady supply coming in, your structure stays strong. The second part of the equation is resistance training. This doesn't mean you have to lift heavy weights at the gym or do anything extreme. It simply means challenging your muscles regularly, using body weight exercises, resistance bands, dumbbells, or even household objects. Activities like squats, wall push-ups, or resistance band rows can stimulate your muscles to stay active and responsive. The moment you stop using your muscles, your body starts losing them, a process known as sarcopenia. Resistance training sends a powerful message to your body. We still need strength here. It triggers your muscles to rebuild and adapt, making them more efficient. Even short 20-minute sessions a few times a week can make a massive difference. Combined with protein, that's when the real magic happens. Your muscles repair faster, grow stronger, and support better balance, posture, and energy levels. Another benefit of strength training is its effect on metabolism. As you gain muscle, your body burns more calories even at rest, which helps manage body fat and maintain a healthy weight. It also improves insulin sensitivity, joint flexibility, and mental sharpness. The stronger your muscles, the better your quality of life becomes. You move easier, feel younger, and stay independent longer. So muscle building after 60 isn't about chasing youth. It's about preserving vitality. Eat protein regularly, lift something every day, and move with purpose. When nutrition and resistance meet consistency, age stops being a limitation. It becomes proof of discipline and strength. If you're serious about rebuilding muscle after 60, one of the most important things you can do is cut out processed junk and seed oils. It doesn't matter how much protein you eat or how hard you train. If your diet is full of toxic, inflammatory ingredients, your progress will always be limited. Your muscles don't just need protein, they need a clean environment inside your body to repair, grow, and stay healthy. Processed foods and seed oils do the exact opposite. They create inflammation, slow down recovery, and block the signals that tell your body to build new muscle. Most processed foods are filled with artificial preservatives, added sugars, refined flours, and low-quality oils. These ingredients spike your blood sugar, increase oxidative stress, and put your body in a state of chronic inflammation. When inflammation is high, your body can't efficiently repair tissue after workouts. The recovery process, the time when your muscles actually grow, becomes delayed or incomplete. This is why so many people over 60 struggle to see results even when they're eating protein and exercising. It's not the training or the age, it's the junk food working against them. Seed oils like soybean, canola, sunflower, and corn oil are some of the worst offenders. They may be marketed as heart healthy, but they are highly processed and easily oxidized when heated. Once oxidized, they create free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and tissues, including your muscles. Over time, this kind of cellular damage adds up, leading to stiffness, pain, fatigue, and slower recovery. Your joints might ache more, your energy drops, and you simply don't feel strong. Your body needs healthy fats, but the right kinds like olive oil, butter, ghee, avocado oil, and the natural fats found in fish, nuts, and eggs. These fats help control inflammation, balance hormones, and support muscle repair. Testosterone and growth hormone, two vital hormones for muscle health, depend on good dietary fat to function properly. When you eat too many seed oils or processed snacks, these hormones drop, making it even harder to maintain muscle mass. The good news is your body begins to recover almost immediately after you remove these harmful foods. Within weeks, inflammation starts to lower, energy improves, and muscle soreness becomes less intense. Your digestion also improves, meaning you absorb protein and nutrients more effectively. This creates the perfect internal environment for muscle growth and strength gains. So the next time you think about grabbing that bag of chips or fried snack, remember it's not just about calories, it's about chemistry. Every bite either fuels your recovery or fights against it. Choose real whole foods, meats, eggs, fish, cottage cheese, vegetables, and natural fats. Drink water instead of soda, cook with real oils instead of processed ones, and skip the packaged junk that clogs your system. Avoiding processed junk and seed oils isn't about restriction, it's about giving your body the respect it deserves. When you feed it right, it rewards you with energy, strength, and resilience at any age. Your muscles don't just need protein, they need purity. Clean food builds a clean body, and a clean body builds lasting strength.